Hi, today's lesson is exponents for the middle school 6 through 8. Today you learn about what are exponents and what are the laws of exponents. Now, let's see the intro of this lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to interpret positive, negative, and zero exponents, the laws of exponents, and simplifying numerical and algebraic expressions involving exponents. Multiplication by the same number is very common. You already know that 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 can be written as 2 to the power 5. Here 2 is the base and 5 is the exponent or index. Exponent sometimes also called index. The plural of index is indices. So 2 to the power 5 is read as 2 raised to the power 5 or 2 to the power 5 or simply 2 power 5. Similarly, a times a times a equals to a cube, read as a cube. See the a cube. Similarly, see y times y times y times y times y times y equal to y to the power 6. Example 1. Let's see example 1. Calculate the value of 5 cube or 3 to the power 5, 1 half to the power 6 or 3/4 to the power 4. Now how do we solve this? They said calculate the value of. So 5 cube means 5 times 5 times 5. That is equal to 125. How 125 we got? 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. Similarly, 3 to the power 5 or 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 5. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equal to 243. How we got 243? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. 81 times 3 is 243. Similarly, you see half raised to the power 6. Now, in the numerator all are 1 1 1. So 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Now in the denominator you see 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So when we multiply all this we get 64. Similarly, 3 to the power 4 raised to the power 4. 3/4 to the power 4. So this becomes 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 27. 20 times 3 is 81. 81 over 256. That is 4 times 4 16. 16 times 4 64. 64 times 4 256. Now the laws of exponents. There are certain laws are there which you have to be aware with before you get into more deeper into the lesson. Let us work out 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 2. So when you multiply, bases are same. When the bases are same, see 2 to the power 2 means 2 times 2. 2 to the power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. So how many 2's are here? 5 2. So 2 to the power 5. Or you can just add up 2 plus 3, that makes you 5. See the powers. So if a is any non-zero, that means the base is any non-zero number, and m and n are natural numbers, then the first law states that a to the power m times a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. Similarly, another law, if you see, when it is division, bases should be the same. 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 4. So you find the difference between the two powers. 6 minus 4 is 2. So that is 4. So if a is any non-zero, that means the base should not be 0. Then the powers In case of division of exponents, the powers will be the difference. See, a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a m minus n. This is the second law. The third law of exponent is this. Suppose 3 to the power 2 to the power 3. So 3 square is how much? 9. So 9 to the power 3. 9 to the power 3 means 9 times 9 times 9. That is 729. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 9 is 729. Or we can write like this. 3 to the power 2 to the power 3. 3 times 2 is how much? 6. So you multiply powers. Exponents you can multiply and write it here. So in case of multiplication, you'll add up the power. In the case of division, you'll find the difference between the two powers. And in the case of this, you will multiply the power. See. So explanation of the laws with examples. As we have seen the three laws, the law 1 here, law 2 here. Based on these laws, these examples, if you see example 2, there are 4 parts are there. 7 to the power 2 times 7 to the power 3 times 7 to the power 4. All the bases are same, so you add up the powers. So 7 to the power 9. Second one. 3 to the power 5 divided by 3. No power is there means 1. See, 3 to the power 5 minus 1. When it's a division, you will minus the powers. So 3 to the power 4. The third law. 2 to the power 3 to the power 4. So 4 times 3, 12. See, when both are combined, you see, multiplication and division, both are given together. 3 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 3. So when it is addition or multiplication, you add up the power, and the division, you subtract the power. 4 plus 5 minus 3, 3 to the power 6. So 0 and negative indices. Consider a to the power 4 divided by a to the power 4. Whatever is the value of a, we should have this one when something is divided by the same number, when once a to the power 4 divided by a to the power 4. So it will be 1. That means 2 divided by 2 is 1. Because the number divided by itself is 1 unless a is 0. Using the rule like this one, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, we get a m minus 1. Similarly, if you see this, a to the power 4 divided by a to the power 4, 4 minus 4 equal to a to the power 0, that is equal to 1. So a to the power 0 is always equal to 1. So this is negative exponent. So thus 2 to the power 0 is 1, 3 to the power 0 is 1. Any number to the power 0 is always 1. So now consider a to the power 2 divided by a to the power 5. That is a 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 means a to the power minus 3. 1 over a to the power 3. If we change negative exponent to positive exponent. In other words, a to the power minus 3 is the reciprocal of a to the power 3. See the example 3. 3 to the power minus 4, negative exponent, change into positive exponent, 1 over, that is a reciprocal of this. So 3 to the power 4 is 81. Same way this is also. Thank you.